Discover the wonders of hair luminance and unlock the secrets to healthier, more vibrant hair. Within its pages, you'll find a treasure trove of easy-to-follow recipes and expert tips to nourish your hair from the inside out. Feel a sense of anticipation as you embark on this journey towards hair transformation, knowing that each step brings you closer to the beautiful locks you've always dreamed of. With Hair Luminance as your trusted companion, embrace the excitement of trying new things and experimenting with homemade treatments that will leave your hair feeling strong and resilient. Feel empowered as you witness the transformative effects of these natural remedies, watching your hair shine brighter with each passing day. Let the pages of Hair Luminance guide you on a journey of self-discovery and renewal as you uncover the potential within your hair and within yourself. Embrace the process wholeheartedly, knowing that every recipe you try brings you one step closer to hair that radiates health and happiness. Trust in the power of Hair Luminance to make a real difference in your life. With dedication and perseverance, watch as your hair transforms before your eyes, becoming a source of joy and confidence. Let Hair Luminance be your steadfast companion on this journey toward better hair, and savor every moment of the transformation.